Even in this question, m1, v1 initial 5 microseconds, and v2 and 0 microseconds, v2 and v1 final equal to v1 final equal to v1 equal to 4.33 milliseconds. Apply isolated system of momentum model in the horizontal direction. Delta px equal to 0. Px initial equal to px final. So mv1 initial plus mv2 initial equal to mv1 final cosine theta 1 plus mv2 final cosine theta 2. So массасы қысқарып кетеді, одинаковый. Solve for v2 final cosine theta 2, which is the horizontal component on the final velocity of the stroke ball, v2 final x. So v2 final x equal to v1 initial plus v2 and divided by v1 v1 final cosine theta. Substituted numerals values, v2 final x equal to 5 plus 0 and 4 divided by cosine 30 degree. Let's calculate this equation. Uh, 1.25 microsecond. This the final 2x component. Apply isolated system for momentum model in the vertical direction, vertical and y direction. Delta py equal to 0. So py initial equal to py final. So this part y direction is equal to 0. 0 equal to mv1 final, mv1 final sinus theta, sinus component sinus theta 1 plus mv2 final, 2 final sinus theta 2, this component. Solve for v2 final sinus theta 2, which is a vertical component of the final velocity of the stroke ball, and v2 final y component equal to v2 final component final y component equal to minus v1 final multiply sinus theta 1. Substituted numerical values, v2 final y component equal to minus 4.33 divided by sinus 30 degree equal to minus 2.16 microseconds. So hence the magnitude of the final velocity of the stroke ball is from Pythagorean theorem. So v2 final square root v2 final x component square plus v2 final y component square root equal to this v2 final x component is 1.25 square plus v2 final y component minus 2.60 meters second square equal to calculate this part. This calculate this part approximately 2.5 meters second, and the angle 2 theta 2 find it makes with the x-axis theta 2 equal to 360 degree plus tangent alpha, and tangent alpha mean minus 1 degree divided by final and two final velocity y and x components, v2 final y component divided by v2 final x component. So this calculate 360 degree plus tangent minus 1 minus 1.60 1.25 calculates this part. Approximately 300 degree. So note that about 360 degree because the final velocity of the stroke ball, the ball lies in the fourth quadrant. So result answer this question v2 final equal to 2.5 meters second at theta 2 equal to 300 degree. I'll answer this question. Thank you for your attention.